Good morning everybody and welcome to my channel. Yes, it is time for new coupons to print. I print my coupons on Swagbucks because you get points for every coupon. Right now you get 2 points for every coupon that you print. So I like that, and then you get points when you actually use those coupons at the stores. So I save up for Christmas. I do have a referral link below if you guys are interested. Otherwise you can go to regular coupons.com, but I just like it because you get paid to print coupons. Now we did get some new coupons, so let's just dig in and I can share with you guys what I got. Now I've noticed a lot of the new coupons are usually down in the bottom middle, so we're just going to kind of skip these coupons that are been here for a while. They did add Purina Bella. I don't have a dog, so I don't need that. They got the 50 cents Palmolive. They got 50 cents Suavitel. They got $1 off of all, which I'm going to print that off because sometimes there's some good deals for that. Neutrogena, I'm going to kind of pass on that one because I don't really get it. Here is a great coupon. $5 off any 3 Colgate. That is an awesome coupon, and that is not going to last long. So if you guys are watching this and it's not available, most likely it's gone because it's a very good coupon. We got $2.50 off of Lip and Eye Neutrogena. I will print that off. 50 cents off of soft soap. It's not as good as the 75 cents off, but I will still print that off. Here we got $3 off Neutrogena and $2 off Clean and Clear. Usually there's some good deals with those, so I'm going to print off those. I don't see anything else that is new, but some of those are really high value coupons. So let's just see what else they got. And I'm not finding anything. And we're going to get down to the coupons that I've already printed. The Hershey Gold $2 coupon is still available. 75 cents off the Hershey, the $2. 65 cents, Dial, Scrubbing Bubbles, Arm & Hammer, Purell, and the Forto. So those coupons are still available on coupons.com. So I just wanted to share with you guys on that. Hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.